In his annual address to the EU Parliament, Juncker called on the bloc to stand up for the international order in the face of trade and currency wars, an apparent swipe at the US President's America First approach. He called on the EU to make the euro the global trade currency and to displace the primacy of the US dollar. Juncker also took the opportunity to hit back at European Union countries that do not respect the rule of law. This came amid concerns that Poland and Hungary do not observe the bloc's democratic principles.